In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts to select text in Microsoft Word. This skill is incredibly useful for anyone looking to increase their efficiency and precision when editing or formatting documents. Whether you're working on a personal project, an assignment, or in a professional setting, mastering these shortcuts will undoubtedly enhance your productivity. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your document open, you're ready to dive into the world of keyboard shortcuts. The foundation of these shortcuts is the Shift key, which, when combined with the arrow keys or other navigation keys, allows you to select text easily and efficiently. Let's explore the various combinations. If you'd like to select all the text in your entire document, simply press Ctrl and A simultaneously. This is particularly handy if you're looking to apply a global change or quickly check the overall word count. For those moments when you need to select text one character at a time, perhaps to make a minor adjustment or format each character individually, hold down the Shift key and use the left or right arrow key. This allows for precise text selection and is perfect for small edits. If you want to select one word at a time, which can be useful when you're revising for specific terms or phrases, hold down both Control and Shift, and then tap the left or right arrow key. This combination helps you quickly highlight words to either change them or apply formatting options like bolding or italicizing. Moving on to lines, if you need to select an entire line, for instance, to rearrange sentences or adjust line spacing, you can do so by holding down the Shift key and pressing the up or down arrow key. This shortcut is incredibly effective for those who are rapidly organizing or editing their content. Now, when you need to deal with paragraphs, whether it's for the purpose of reformatting or rephrasing, you'll find it useful to select an entire paragraph at once. To do this, hold down both Ctrl and Shift and then use the up or down arrow key. This allows for quick and easy paragraph manipulation, especially in documents that are multiple pages long. These shortcuts not only make text selection faster, but also decrease the reliance on your mouse, which can speed up your workflow significantly. As you practice these shortcuts, you'll notice a marked improvement in how quickly you can edit and format documents in Word. So take some time to get comfortable with these combinations, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your work in Microsoft Word. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Happy typing.